How to log in into BestBuy account? Let's get started. Launch your BestBuy app. If you don't have this app on your device, you can head towards Play Store or App Store, search for the app and download it. Once completion of its download process, launch it. You'll land to the home page. Now here you will see the option of sign in. Click on that. Once you're on the login page, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, you can type in your email address and the password, or also you can continue with Apple ID or Google account. You can use this option only in the case if you have used these options to create your account, or else you can directly type in your email address and password. In the case you have forgotten the password, you can click on this option to recover it. After you provide the details, click on sign in, and just for that you'll be logged into your account. So this is how you can easily log in into BestBuy account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.